Tia says, I'm considering IT systems manager. What other IT positions do you feel AI can't replace? um, IT systems manager is a really good step forward. Um, that it's management, and again, I would say like what you got to do is learn AI as much as possible. Learn how it works, what it is, so it's not magic to you. Learn like what is it doing. If it's a part of a tool, learn to use it inside of that tool. Um, AI is not going to replace you. Somebody who knows AI is going to replace you. So IT systems manager is any kind of management is great. Governance, that sector, that part of GRC is really good to get into. It's got a lot of upward mobility. Somebody's always going to need a manager of some sort. What other IT positions do I feel? I think that it's going to be come down to skill sets. I think it's going to still be really important to have emotional intelligence because at the end of the day, cybersecurity is still about people. Think about it. Most of the issues we have are still human centric issues. So I don't think AI can fix that. I don't think AI can fix our ignorance or our stupidity or our arrogance. It's not going to fix any of those things. And a lot of those things that I just named are the main reason you get these gigantic breaches because of ignorance, because of some companies' arrogance and not doing basic best practices. It's those things that we as cybersecurity professionals are involved with. The most important thing you can do, I mean, the thing that's not going to be replaced is going to be emotional intelligence. Other skill sets is going to be adaptability, leaning into AI as much as possible. Know all the skills and know as much as you can about it, right? There's so many different aspects of it, right? As I'm learning, I'm picking it up myself, and there's so many different levels and layers that are being developed in real time that I think that all of us, especially in this field, need to learn as much as possible. But yeah, those skill sets of emotional intelligence, knowing how to deal with difficult people, having patience, um, it's going to benefit you in your career and in your life, so those are really important skills.